Hey my friends, welcome back to Falcons RC, and here we have my latest project. Actually, I just finished building this plane and I'm ready to do the main fly, but I basically wanted to show you what I did before I flew it, and who knows, maybe it's gonna crash. So anyhow, this wing, guys, is built out of balsa wood. The whole wing is balsa, covered with monocoque. The whole wing is balsa. I actually have a flat bottom airfoil because the intention for this plane is to be a trainer. Basically, that's what I'm hoping, that it's going to be a very nice and stable plane. And the fuselage, I was going to build it out of wood too, but then I thought about it and I said, if this thing is going to be a trainer, it's probably going to be crashing a lot. So I want the fuselage to be easy to repair, and balsa wood is really not easy to repair. So I built it out of 1/2-inch foam. This is the foam from Lowe's. As you see right here, it's pretty straightforward build. If you have seen a Wild Hawk, this thing is a very simple plane. This aluminum tube that is going back here to support the tail is a 3-foot aluminum tube. I got it from Lowe's too. It's attached to the fuselage with some screws. Basically, there is a plywood sheet on the bottom. You can see right there. It's holding that, and I don't think you can see the screws very good under there. But anyhow, there are screws holding that aluminum tube. That's the speed control. It's Exceed RC proton. I think it's a 60 amps. No UVC in it, so I have an external UVC that you see right here. See on this side of the wall right here. And I'm running standard size servos. Let me see if we can focus on one of them so you can see them better. There you go. I have 3 of those. I think I'm running the same kind of the wing. Yep, same kind on the wing. So anyway, my friends, as you can see, this is a very simple build. Like I said, this airplane, I built it to teach people how to fly. So it's a very simple build, very easy build. The push rods that you see going in there, they have a sleeve on it. There's this black one right here, which I'm holding to the fuselage with some zip ties. You can see right there. Going back over here to the elevator horn. This elevator actually is an old elevator from an old plane that I had, so I didn't even took the monocoque off of it. So it should work pretty good. The tail is actually braced with an arrow, right there is a carbon fiber arrow. Balsa wood. So anyway, my friends, hopefully this thing is going to be a nice flyer. Let me put the wings in place so you can kind of give you an idea. The wing goes right here, and it's a little bit, it's more or less what it's going to look like. Like I say, hopefully it's going to fly very nice. I push it again, so it'll be easier, and not so hard to repair. If we crash it, we don't break the props too much. And the motor right here is a grasonhobby. Let me think. It's a 0.40, basically glow to electric. It's a substitution for a 0.40 glow motor. I think I like electric better, a little bit more clean and easier. So anyway, my friends, here we have it. I'm going to do the main fly right here. Basically, see this big old field right here, guys. Here's the house right there. So I'm gonna try to use this part right here as a runway, this right here, and take off because that field is too rough, But if I can make it, let me back over here, between this bathroom or outhouse, there's really not an outhouse. That I just built that to look like an outhouse. It's actually the well house or whatever, so it won't, whenever it gets cold, this thing won't froze on us, You see we have the pump right in there. I just made it look like an outhouse. And it's actually, I built it in a way that you can pull it apart if if we need to get this thing off to work on it. This actually, from this point right here, you can see the cuts right here. This whole front of the house actually comes off. You can take 3 screws off of it and take the whole front off with the whole door and everything, and you can just slide the rest back. So anyway, I like it. It turned out pretty good, really. So anyhow, guys, back to the plants. I cleared this right here. You see this right here? You can see this. This whole part was a mess. Just see all these bushes, all this right here. That's how it was all the way across. But I cleaned it up because I actually wanted to get a view of the deers that they come out here and eat on this grass. So I cleaned it up to see them deers, and I was watching it, just a couple of hours ago, and said, you know what, I think I can fly here. So anyway, the idea is use this as a runway, come here, and I basically have to take off before I get to this uphill thing. So let's try, my friends, and let's hope it's gonna go well. I'm not going to put the fly on this video, so I'm just gonna put a link right here on the bottom where you can go to the fly video. So okay, guys, thank you for watching. See you next fly.